Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hatani Brasputra Pradana. I'm from class A. My student number is 22231800052. And I will present my research proposal entitled Students' Perception on the Use of English Short Movies to Improve the Ability to Write Descriptive Text at SMA 22 Bandung. Let's go to the next slide. First, research background. The writing process, according to Cahyono and Agesta 2017, necessitates the insertion of several signs and symbols from a language. Writing, on the other hand, is far from more difficult to utilize than speaking. There are some aspects of writing that are tough to master, such as grammar, word choice, and so on. As stated by Miftah MZ 2015, writing is often regarded as one of the most difficult and complex language abilities. Learning to write has a number of issues. According to research of Alhamdani 2016, the students have a problem in that the majority of them have difficulty writing and creating images in their heads, as well as being confused to generate sentences of descriptive language. The research demonstrates that students struggle to write descriptive text. They are unable to explain descriptions of objects, animals, and people because they have no notion what to describe and how to compose descriptive text sentences in their heads. A range of teaching approaches should be employed in the EFL classroom in order to increase teaching quality. Since technology has become so widespread in today's society, improving the quality of education has become a top goal for educational institutions. English teachers can utilize movies or films as instructional material to help students improve their English abilities. Alberta 2013, page 14, stated English movies usually subordinate narrative technique to keep the audience focused on character and story. A short film is an excellent learning medium since it improves students' capacity to think creatively and their progress in improving their English skills. Kadaba Dayi 2012. Short films with a runtime of 6 to 40 minutes or less make it easier for teachers to teach their pupils. Because they are short, they may be repeated, and students become more focused on certain subject in the video. Kadabadai 2012. There have been several research on strategies for pupils to enhance their writing skills. One of the research is titled Improving Students' Writing Skill on Descriptive Text Using Visualization Approach. Alhamdani 2016 employed the experiment method and applied visualization technique to increase students' writing skill on descriptive text. In order to address the study question and hypothesis, the researcher effectively collected data utilizing pre-experimental training, tests, and questionnaire as tools. Like this research question, the research questions are: what students' perception about the use of short movie in learning descriptive writing, and what is the students' perception of the use of English short movie compared to illustration textbook. Third, research objective. The research objective are students' perceptions about the use of short movie in learning descriptive writing. Then, students' perception of the use of English short movie compared to illustration textbook. Fourth, research significances. The study's findings were intended to be applied both theoretically and practically. Theoretically, the study was supposed to be an effort to transform students' perception of writing as difficult, as well as an alternate information and reference technique for teachers and students in the teaching and learning of writing. In practice, the instructor understands how to teach descriptive text and has used short movies as medium. For the next researcher, the researchers can learn how to conduct a pre-experimental study to determine how to create descriptive text using short movies as a teaching tool. Fifth, literature review. Definition of writing. Writing is technique that combines various signs and symbols of language, according to Cahyono and Agesta 2017. There is a description of different point of view. Students can also use writing to share their thoughts and ideas. Then descriptive text writing. Descriptive writing appeals to the senses, telling how something appears, feels, smells, tastes, and sounds, according to Oshima, Hogg, and N. 1997, page 50. Identification and description are both included in generic structure. Meanwhile, the language features of descriptive text are use of specific nouns, use of detailed noun groups to provide information about the subject, use a variety of types of subjective, and use relating verbs to provide information about the subject. Short movie. The Academy Motion Picture Arts and Sciences defines a short film as an original motion picture that has a running time of 40 minutes or less, including all credits. The terms featurette originally applied to film longer than a short subject, but shorter than a standard feature film. The last is research methodology. The qualitative case study is a type of research that aims to elucidate in-depth phenomena and give the most comprehensive knowledge of research subject by showing the general characteristics of difficulties. Mashudianti, Masito, and Isa, 2018. Furthermore, case study research may focus on the person rather than a collective program, event, or activity. Creswell, 2011. According to the descriptive above, the study used a qualitative case study to investigate students' perceptions of the use of short movies in the teaching of writing descriptive text, as well as students' perceptions of the use of short movies compared to illustrative textbooks. In addition, two instruments are used in the study: interview and observation. The participants for the study are selected from SMA Pudo Bandung, and the researcher chose the second grade of Senior High School with a total 36 students. And that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.